Come in this iPhone 17 Pro versus iPhone 16 Pro short comparison video. So if we check the release price, the 17 Pro started at $10.99 while the 16 Pro $9.99. The display size is the same on the both. If we check on the brightness, the 17 Pro has up to 3000 nits outdoor peak, which is better than the 16 Pro. The 17 Pro has a better processor, A19 Pro. The 17 Pro comes with 256 gigabytes of internal storage, while the 16 Pro only 128. The 17 Pro is slightly heavier, so if you care about the weight, then probably you should go for 16 Pro, but the difference is very small. The 17 Pro is slightly thicker. 17 Pro has 3 48 megapixel cameras, while wide, ultra-wide telephoto with tetraprism lens, up to 8 times of optical zoom, while the 16 Pro has only 5 times optical zoom. The front camera on 17 Pro has 18 megapixels, while on the 16 Pro only 12. The battery life is almost the same on both models, up to 33 hours. And the build quality is on the 17 Pro is aluminum frame, ceramic shield, while on the 16 Pro is titanium frame and as well ceramic shield. So to conclude this, if you carry and if you care about the faster processor, then go for iPhone 17 Pro. It has also brighter display and the better optical zoom on a camera. If you want like a cheaper device with a lower starting price, but also with a solid camera system with good optical zoom, then you should go for iPhone 16 Pro. So thank you for watching this short comparison video. Let me know in the comments which model you prefer, and I hope I see you in the next video.